What's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. Today I am going to be testing out Main Club products, and this is their leave-in conditioner and their curl defining cream. I actually found these products at Walmart while I was browsing, looking for new stuff to try, and they just caught my eye. They're kind of unique looking with the little smiley and the dice, and it's just cute. Of course, I'm going to be starting out with the leave-in conditioner, and this is a 10-in-1 leave-in conditioner. According to the bottle, the 10 essential benefits of this is conditions, detangles, heat protection up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, prevents breakage, hydrates, smooths, softens, controls frizz, boosts shines, and strengthens. This is claiming to do a lot. So it is a spray bottle, and I'm not a fan of sprays, but we're just gonna get through it. So it is definitely liquidy, but it has almost like a creamy, a creamy texture, but on the liquidy side. So it's very thin. It smells like cologne. Feels very lightweight, and I don't know how I feel about that yet. Okay. All right, so I have the leave-in distributed throughout my hair. Like I said, it's super lightweight, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the curl defining cream. This is supposed to define your curls, moisturize, and defrizz. It's very creamy. It's like the perfect cream consistency that you'd expect, or at least that I'd expect. It feels nice. Now this smells much better than the leave-in. It's almost like a fresh scent. This half is done, and honestly, I don't notice much of a difference from the side that just has leave-in versus the side with leave-in and cream. The definition is like a medium definition, nothing crazy. I have a feeling that it's gonna dry very soft. But as long as it holds like it says, then I will be happy. All right, so I have the curl defining cream thoroughly distributed throughout my hair, and yeah, like I said, I'm feeling like this is gonna be a soft drying wash and go with a medium definition. We'll see. I'm gonna just let the products do their thing and wait to see the results. I hope this wasn't a waste of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, and I'll be back to show you the final results. All right, so I am back and my hair is fully 100% dry, and To be honest, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It didn't dry as soft as I thought it was gonna be, but it is still very soft. So let's go in for the close-up and look at this definition. So it's actually looking pretty good. And like I said, it did kind of give us medium definition. It's not crazy, but I actually like how it looks. I can work with this. And as you can see, there's definitely a little bit of frizz, but the definition to frizz ratio is good, so I'm not mad at it. Yeah, came out much better than I was anticipating, like legit. I don't know, what do you guys think? I feel like it looks pretty good. I like the way that my hair feels also. It actually feels really soft, really soft. Not too bad, Main Club, not too bad. Overall, Main Club surprised me in the best way possible. I was not expecting much from these products, and I am actually very happy with the results. Wow. I would definitely recommend you give these a try if you've seen them or if you've been eyeing them. I would try them out. It worked pretty well. It's not a lot of product. Like, this is only 5 ounces. So that could go by a little bit quicker. And I feel like I used like a third of this. This, on the other hand, there's actually still a pretty good amount from what I use. So this will definitely last a little bit longer. My overall review and thoughts and first impression, these are a thumbs up for me. I would definitely use them again. And I like how lightweight they are, which is probably why I got a good amount of volume on first day hair. It worked out. It worked out after all. Good looking out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.